Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make this cute little axolotl out of polymer clay. I'll list a full list of materials in the description if you want to know more about what exactly I used to make this, but I hope you enjoy! So to start, I'm taking some light pink clay I made by mixing some white and a tiny bit of red clay, and I'm just shaping it into a kind of oval shape for the head. Then I'm taking the exact same color to make the shape of the body. Then I go ahead and attach that piece to the head just like this. So next I'm taking more of the pink clay and rolling it out to form the tail and connecting it to the rest of the axolotl body. So I'm adding an eye pin to my axolotl to make it into a charm, but this is obviously completely optional. Next, I'm going to make the little hands and feet, and to do this I'm taking 4 tiny pieces of the same pink clay and just rolling them out into little balls. So now I'm taking some darker pink to make the little details such as the tail and all of the frills on its head, and I'm starting by rolling out a tiny piece of clay for the end of its tail. I also added a little bit of texture to its tail. So now I'm taking more of the same color to make the 6 little frills on its head, and I'm just rolling these out one by one. The last few steps are taking some black clay to make the cute little face. So I started by making the 2 eyes and then added a tiny piece of clay for the mouth, and then I ended up actually adding some blush to the face as well just to give it some extra detail. So now you can go ahead and bake your charm according to the package instructions, which should be on the back of your clay wrapper, especially if you have like Fimo or Sculpey. It always says on the back exactly how you should bake it. To glaze my charm, I used UV resin, but any kind of glaze will work. There are a ton of different brands you could use. And here's the finished product. I think it turned out super cute, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and also found it helpful. If you do end up using this tutorial, I would absolutely love to see how your charms turned out, and you can show me at any of these places listed here. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I try to post pretty often, and thank you so much again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Bye bye!